How to delete Facebook account permanently on PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete your Facebook account permanently on desktop, laptop, Mac or Chromebook. So you can follow the same process. Let's dive in. First, you have to open your Facebook on your Chrome browser, or you can use any browser. And then it's going to bring you to your Facebook page, and you have to click this arrow over here on the top right corner, and then click settings and privacy. Now choose the settings option over here, and it's going to take you to another page. Wait for it to load, and then you have to click see more in account center. And once you click this option, you have to go to this personal details option and then click account ownership and control. Now click deactivation or deletion, and then choose your Facebook account and then click delete account over here and click continue. Now you have to just click continue again and then choose any option and click continue, and then click continue again and just scroll through and click continue. Now put in your password over here to continue and then click continue, and then you'll be able to delete your account permanently. And that's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.